Welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to talk about multiplication of matrices. So I'm going to show you how you can multiply matrices. I'm not going to go in details talking about the basics or the rules you need to follow in multiplying matrices, but you can find the link to the video where I talked about the golden rule of multiplying matrices. So the link will be in the description box, so you can go there and then take time to watch that video, as well as you can also watch the second lesson in multiplication of matrices, which we did. I also put the link in the description box, so you can watch. If you don't understand very well what is happening now, you can go to those two videos. They will try to help you. Okay, so this is the first question we have. We have got two matrices that needs to be multiplied, and then these two matrices, they have got different order. So as you can see in the first question, which we are going to concentrate for now, we'll come to question 2 later on. Question 1 has the order of 1 by 2, and that is matrix 1 has the order of 1 by 2, and matrix 2 has the order of 2 by 2. Okay, so as you can see, these two matrices can be multiplied, so we are going to go straight into multiplying them. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the first matrix, the entire first matrix, by this column. We will start with the first column, because the first matrix is just has just two elements, which is 1, 2, and the order is 1 by 2. So we're going to multiply those two elements by these two elements in the second matrix where I've circled. So let's get started with multiplying. So what we're going to do is I'm going to multiply the 1 in the first matrix multiplied by 2, the one which is on top. So it's the first element in the first matrix multiplied by the element which is on top in the first column of the second matrix. So it's going to be 1 by 2, then plus, then 2, the 2 in the first matrix multiplied by the negative 1 in the second matrix, that is the first column. Now the number which is on the bottom, which is negative 1, so we're going to have 2 multiplied by negative 1, then we close bracket. The sum we're going to find of these products will give us the number which is on position 1, 1. Okay, then next we are going to multiply that entire matrix, the first matrix, multiplied by the second column. So as you can see, we have on top there negative 4 and down negative 6. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we're going to multiply 1 by negative 4, 1 by negative 4, then plus 2 multiplied by negative 6, the negative 6, the one which is down. Okay, now we are going to start now finding the product. So 1 by 2 will give us 1 by 2 will give us 2. 1 by 2 give us 2. Then 2 by negative 1 will give us negative 2. Then so now we have 2 plus negative 2. Then we will cross the other side, which is 1 by negative 4 will give us negative 4. 2 by negative 6 will give us negative 12. Okay, then I'm going to now find the sum of these two of the expressions. So I've got 2 plus negative 2, 2 plus negative 2, which will give us 0. Then negative 4 plus negative 12 will give us negative 16. So the final matrix we have gotten is 0, negative 16. That is the final matrix. Okay, so I urge you viewers to pause the video so that you try to work out this second example. Please, mathematics is made easier by practicing, or we usually understand mathematics more when we practice. Okay, so let's go to question 2. Since I've taken that, you pause the video and try to work this one out. Okay, so it's even simple. Before you start even multiplying matrices, you are able to tell the order of the matrix you are going to get. If you are not sure on how to tell the order of matrix you are going to get as a product, you can also watch the video which talks about order of matrices. Then there I also talked about how you can determine the order of the product you are going to get when you are multiplying certain matrix with certain order. Okay, so now let's start multiplying. So we'll start by multiplying the whole entire matrix, the first matrix, by the first column. Okay, so we're going to say 2 by 2 is going to be 2 by 2. Okay, then plus 5 by 4. Okay, then we are going to go to the second column in the second matrix. So the second column, the first matrix will be multiplied by the second column, the all elements in the second column. So we're going to have 2 by 1 plus 5 by -3. Okay, then we're going to skip there. Then we go to the third column. So the entire matrix will be multiplied by the third columns, the element in the third column. So we're going to have 2 multiplied by -3, then plus 5 multiplied by 0. Okay, then we are going to open bracket down there. Now let's find the sum of these, or the products of these expressions. So 2 by 2 give us 4, then plus 5 by 4 will give us 20. Okay, then we go to the next group of numbers. 2 by 1 will give us 2, then plus 5 by -3 will give us -15. Then we close to other numbers. That is 2 by -3 will give us -6 plus 0. Okay, now once we have done that, we are going to go to adding these products we got. So 4 plus 20 will give us 24. 2 plus -15 will give us -13. Then -6 plus 0 will give us -6. And that is the final matrix we have gotten. So basically, this is how you multiply matrices. So if you didn't see clearly what was happening, you can watch the previous video where I took time to show how we are multiplying. So basically, this is how you can multiply matrices. In the next video, I'm going to look at multiplying square matrices. Specifically, I'm going to start with 2 by 2. So please watch out for that video, which is coming tomorrow morning at the same time. So please, if you found this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. It's easy learning zed-Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video. God bless you.